If you're eating better, you're trying to move more, but no matter what you do, that blood sugar just refuses to cooperate. It's frustrating. You've heard whispers online, maybe from a friend, about natural supplements that can help, but in a world of hype, what actually works, and what's just a waste of money? Welcome to Levitas. Today, we are not talking about magic pills. As a doctor, my goal is to give you a clear, evidence-based review of 9 of the most popular natural supplements for blood sugar support. We're going to look at science, what the mechanisms are, and what you need to know. So, here's my question for you. Which of these supplements have you already tried, or which one are you most curious about? Let me know your honest experience in the comments below. It really helps the channel with the algorithm. So, go ahead and like this video, and let's get started. Supplement number 1. Alright, let's start with the one creating the most buzz in the research world, berberine. This is a bioactive compound extracted from several different plants. And frankly, the research is so strong that it's often compared to conventional diabetes medications. Why? It works by activating an enzyme called AMPK, which you can think of as your body's metabolic master switch. Activating it helps your cells pull more glucose out of the blood, improving insulin sensitivity. The evidence is powerful. A major 2023 umbrella meta-analysis confirmed that berberine supplementation is highly effective in improving both fasting blood glucose and long-term markers like HbA1c. It's one of the most potent natural compounds studied for this purpose. Supplement number 2. Now for one you definitely have in your kitchen cabinet, cinnamon. But can a simple spice really make a difference? Well, the evidence is promising. Cinnamon contains compounds that appear to mimic insulin's effects, helping to shuttle glucose into your cells. A 2024 systematic review looked at the data and found that cinnamon supplementation can provide a modest, but statistically significant, positive effect on blood glucose control. This effect seemed to be strongest in people who were already in the prediabetes range. Now, this isn't a license to go eat a giant cinnamon bun. We're talking about supplemental doses, or consistently using it in healthy foods like kefir or yogurt. Supplement number 3. Next up is an herb from India and Southeast Asia, Gymnema sylvestra. Its name in Hindi literally means sugar destroyer. It has a fascinating 2-part mechanism. First, it can temporarily block the sugar receptors on your taste buds, which can reduce the appeal of sweet foods, or cravings. Second, and more importantly, it appears to support the pancreas. A systematic review and meta-analysis from 2022 highlighted its effectiveness in improving glycemic control in patients with type 2 diabetes. Some older studies, one from as early as 1990, even suggested it might help with the regeneration of insulin-producing beta cells, though more research is needed on that. Supplement number 4. This next one might surprise you. You use it for sunburns, but for blood sugar? Yes, the gel from the aloe vera plant. The potential here seems to come from its anti-inflammatory properties and active compounds that may improve how your body responds to insulin. A 2022 meta-analysis pooled the results of several studies and found that aloe vera supplementation significantly reduced fasting blood glucose in both pre-diabetic individuals and those with diagnosed type 2 diabetes. It's an emerging field, but the initial data is compelling. Supplement number 5. Now let's talk about alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA. This is a powerful antioxidant that your own body makes. Its main job is to fight oxidative stress, which is that cellular rust that can damage cells and worsen insulin resistance. When you take ALA as a supplement, it helps your body's natural defense system and, crucially, it can help your cells become more sensitive to insulin. Think of it as helping to clean and repair the locks on your cells so the insulin, the key, can work better. A comprehensive review in 2023 detailed ALA's important role in modulating insulin sensitivity, which is why it's also commonly studied for helping with diabetic neuropathy. Supplement number 6. Moving on to essential minerals, let's look at chromium. This is a trace mineral that your body must have, but in very small amounts. Its primary role in this context is to enhance the action of insulin. It's a cofactor that helps insulin bind to its receptor and do its job properly. The research here has a very important nuance. A 2022 meta-analysis gave us a high-value insight. It found that chromium supplementation did significantly improve insulin resistance and fasting blood sugar. However, it did not seem to have a major effect on long-term, 3-month control, as measured by HbA1c. This tells us it's a helpful piece of the puzzle, but not the whole puzzle itself. Supplement number 7. Speaking of critical minerals, we have to talk about magnesium. I call this the unsung hero of metabolic health. It is a cofactor in over 300 enzyme systems in your body, and many of them are directly involved in glucose metabolism and insulin action. The problem? A huge portion of the population doesn't get enough. The link is crystal clear. Low magnesium levels are strongly correlated with insulin resistance. The good news? Correcting it helps. A 2024 meta-analysis found magnesium supplements significantly decreased fasting glucose and insulin resistance, and a 2023 trial on women with PCOS, another condition rooted in insulin resistance, showed similar powerful benefits. Supplement number 8. Right alongside magnesium is its partner, vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Most people know it for bone health, but its role in metabolic health is absolutely critical. Vitamin D receptors are found on the insulin-producing cells in your pancreas, and the vitamin helps reduce systemic inflammation. Here's the key: much like magnesium, the benefit is especially profound if you are deficient. A 2023 umbrella review of multiple studies confirmed that getting your levels up is beneficial for reducing fasting glucose, insulin, and HbA1c. If you don't know your levels, it is one of the most important blood tests you can ask your doctor for. Supplement number 9. Finally, let's talk about your gut. The gut-blood sugar axis is one of the most exciting fields in nutritional science. The idea is that the balance of your gut microbiome can influence inflammation and metabolic pathways all over your body. So, can probiotics help? The answer, according to new research, is yes. A large systematic review and meta-analysis from 2024 looked at 41 different trials. It found that probiotic and symbiotic supplementation can lead to statistically significant improvements in HbA1c and fasting glucose. The authors concluded it is an effective complementary therapy. Okay, we've covered 9 supplements: berberine, cinnamon, gymnema, aloe, ALA, chromium, magnesium, vitamin D, and probiotics. It's a lot. So, what's the doctor's final verdict? Here it is: supplements are supporters, not saviors. The research on many of these is incredibly exciting. They can be powerful tools in your toolkit. But not a single one of them can, or should, replace the foundations of health. You cannot out-supplement a diet that doesn't nourish you. You can't out-supplement a lack of physical activity, chronic poor sleep, or unmanaged stress. True, sustainable management of your metabolic health always starts with that lifestyle foundation. Managing your health and your blood sugar can feel like a lonely or frustrating journey. But you are not alone, and you are not out of options. The goal is not to find a single magic pill, but to build a lifestyle that supports your body. These supplements can be powerful tools to help in that process, especially when you're working with a doctor who can guide you. Watch this video suggestion, it was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.